Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and thank you for joining me. Today is day 2 of CC Design's September release, and I am featuring the Halloween Inchies stamp set and the coordinating dies, as well as the Inchies Cover Plate die. So this is the die that goes well with the Halloween Inchies stamp set, and it has 12 holes. This is so cute, and I love the stitching details on this cover plate die. And then of course the little Halloween Inchies fit in those little circles. And I really love all of the cute images here. I mean, look at this pumpkin, really cute. The ghost, the tombstone, and all the cute little characters all dressed up for Halloween, and they're just about an inch long. Really cute images. And then there are 2 sentiments. The first one is boo, and the second one is trick or treat. So you can also purchase the coordinating dies that will die cut all of those images for you, including the sentiments. So here is my first project today. I created this cute shaker card, and I really wanted a white background because it is so colorful. So I created the shaker card, and I just kind of mix and match the sequins for each hole. I ink blended the holes here, and then I put the little sequins and then created this cute shaker card. And for my next project, I decorated my happy planner, and this is my spread for October, and this is the one that you will be seeing today. Since this is just a preview day for the September release, I figured I'm not going to bore you with this long process for the shaker card. But if you would like to see this, please leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely film that video for you. So for today's project, we are going to decorate this happy planner, and I took the pages out of the happy planner, and I'm just going to ink blend the background first with the cloud stencil and some dye inks. So the first thing that I'm doing here is just creating the colorful sky on the background with the cloud stencil. I'm using my blending brushes here to add the color to the background. I will be using purple and orange inks. So as you can see, it looks a little bit splotchy, and don't worry about that because with dye inks, they eventually blend in the background after it dries. So I wasn't really worried about the splotchy color at first. So the next thing to do is to add the grassy hill, and I will be using my green blending brush here with some green dye inks by Lawn Fawn. So I'm just adding more color here since this is at the very bottom of the happy planner, and I kind of went heavy-handed on this one. So the next thing to do is to stamp the images with some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and then color them quickly with my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. I didn't do a lot of blending on this because I'm just using it for my planner. It's not like it's going to go to a card. And then what I'm doing here is just adding the spooky tree. This is a stamp set from my stash, and I'm just going to stamp that so that I have a spooky tree here, and then I will be adding the images, adhering them with liquid glue. So I'm just adhering them one by one, and I really love these images because they're just so tiny and they are perfect for your planner. So I figured I was going to decorate my October spread here and just go with the flow. So those are the projects today, showcasing the Halloween Inchies stamp set and coordinating dies, as well as the Halloween Inchies cover plate die. I really love this, and I hope you do as well. I'm just adding the sentiment here to finish the design, and then I will eventually put the pages back on my happy planner. I had so much fun decorating my planner for October, and I really thought those Halloween Inchies stamp set went perfectly well because they are small enough to include in your planner. I finished the design by stamping some stars to make it look cuter. And here is the spread today for October. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to check the September release by CC Designs. You will see them here on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on their blog. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Thank you again for stopping by, and happy crafting!